Instead of moving out, you stay. That's what we like to do. They can build their own equity. They can pay down their own debt. Second day on the job, but he is nailing it, ladies and gentlemen. She's just looking for a place to call home. This one kind of hit home. We went to this property for the appraisal, which typically I haven't been on an appraisal in over 10 years. I happen to be the owner in this situation. This tenant, who was a renter, now has the ability to purchase the home. And it's a true testament to the homeowner dream. And she is a wonderful human being, a phenomenal family background, and she's just looking for a place to call home. We're here in an appraisal in Providence, taking a look right now with the wonderful appraiser right here. He's doing an awesome job. Look at him go, so far so good. Taking pictures, second day on the job, but he is nailing it, ladies and gentlemen. The new owner right here, look at her, go get it, go get it. She's excited from tenant to owner, right? We made it happen. We're going through the 18 years. Instead of moving out, we figured out a deal where she could stay. We got you the loan, and then the appraisal just happened.
Right.
Pretty smooth, no?
Yeah.
That's the beauty of home ownership. Now you can go ahead and make it the way you want versus having someone else's house be better. Yeah. Congratulations, my dear.
Thank you.
No problem. Whether it's a legacy for them, for their children, for their grandchildren, it is the way to accumulate wealth over time. One of the nice things she said to me is, now I feel like this is mine. And I can put some work in, I can put some effort in, and I can put some updates and some repairs. And I made sure that that appraisal came in right, that everything worked out well, because it just really speaks to what I'm able to do every single day, day in and day out, helping make home ownership a reality and helping make the American dream happen here locally in Rhode Island.